class, for 14-10, we are talking about equal areas and fractions. An area of a figure is the number of square units that covers a figure. So we know that an area are all of the square units inside of a shape. The equal area parts of a figure can be used to model unit fractions. So let's show that now. In number 1, it says draw a 6x3 rectangle, then draw lines to separate the rectangle into 3 equal parts. So, let's draw a 6x3 rectangle. Remember, 6 will be my going down length, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By 3 will be our length across. 1, 2, 3. And a rectangle has the opposite sides are equal. So 3 and 3, 6 and 6. Now it says, then draw lines to separate the rectangle into 3 equal parts. So you can do this a few different ways. I'm going to separate my rectangle into 3 different parts like this. 1, 2, 3. Now, are all of these parts equal? They each have 2 squares. They all look equal to me. For number 2, it tells you to draw another 6x3 rectangle and draw lines to separate it into 3 equal parts another way. So we're going to draw the same rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, by 3, 1, 2, 3. And the opposite sides will always be the same for a rectangle. So I have 6 here on the opposite side, 3 here, and the opposite side has 3. Now it wants us to draw lines to separate it into 3 equal parts a different way. So if I drew a line here, are all of those, let's do those darker. Are these all equal parts? No, right? This square here has a length of 3, this one only has 2, and this one only has 1. So we cannot break it up that way. Think about what is a different way. This way we broke it up into 2 equal parts. What is another way we can break this up into 3 equal parts? So we can break it up into 3 equal parts this way, right? 1, 2. So I have 1, 2, 3. Now are all of these parts equal? Yes, they are. So this 6x3 rectangle can either be broken up this way, or you can break it up this way. And they all have 3 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, all of these parts are equal. And 1, 2, 3, all of these parts are equal. Number 3, it says, in each rectangle, what fraction shows the area of one of the parts? So if I just look at, I have 3 parts, right? 1, 2, 3. What fraction shows the area of just one part? Just one part. What would my fraction be? So first, I know that my total, I have 3 parts. So the total number of parts, remember back to fractions, the total number of parts is the denominator. The numerator is just one of those parts. So it says what fraction shows the area of one of the parts? Just one of the parts is just 1. So the fraction that shows the area of just one part is 1/3. For number 4, look at number 1. What is the area and what is the area of each part? So let's look at number 1. To find the area, we count all of the units inside of the shape. So the area for number 1, they want to know the area of the whole shape. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we can write that here. The area is 18 square units because they don't tell us if it's centimeters or inches or feet. So we'll say 18 square units. Now it's also asking what is the area of each part. So remember we broke them up into 3 equal parts, 1, 2, and 3. So what is the area of each part? If we just look at one part, let's count the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, since these parts are all equal, each of these areas should be 6. So let's count the middle one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's do the top one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area of each part is 6 square units. Remember not to forget your unit of measurement. That is it for 14-10. Have a good day.